Hello kids. Today our topic is vegetable color matching game. Are you ready? Let's start the video. What is the color of carrot? Yes, the color of carrot is orange. What is the color of tomato? The color of tomato is red. What is the color of broccoli? Wow, the color of broccoli is green. What is the color of corn? Amazing, the color of corn is yellow. What is the color of brinjal? Very good. The color of brinjal is purple. What is the color of onion? It's light purple. What is the color of pumpkin? Yes, it's orange color. What is the color of peas? Green. The color of peas is green. What is the color of mushroom? Yes, the color of mushroom is white. What is the color of spinach? The color of spinach is green. What is the color of lettuce? It's green. What is the color of cauliflower? It's white. The color of cauliflower is white. What is the color of ginger? The ginger color is brown. Yay, you find the right colors again.